Good day, everyone. We would like to present to you our research proposal PowerPoint presentation. Our research is Sensory Acceptability of Malabar Spinach Basilia rubra L Flavored Jelly. Researchers Geraldine T. Mollerca, Shelo M. Rigaton. Research Advisor Mr. Omay Alo. Chapter 1 Introduction. Malabar spinach or Ceylon spinach, commonly known as alugbati, is a vegetable which belongs to Basilaceae family. It is fast-growing vegetable native to tropical Asia, India, or Indonesia, and extremely heat-tolerant. It is commonly grown for its young shoots, which make an excellent succulent, slightly mucilaginous vegetable, Groven and Denton 2004. Malabar spinach has been used to cure various diseases, namely anti-cancer, antiviral, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cholesterol, anti-ulcer, antimicrobial, anti-hypoglycemic, wound healing, androgenic from the ancient times, Shade et al. 2017.
This plant is used to cure many skin problems, diarrhea, dysentery, and also used as a laxative. Basilia plant shows anti-proliferative activities due to the presence of beta-cyanine, bioflavonoids, B-sitosterol, and lupule. Mutusi et al. 2019. Juice of leaves and steam are used as laxatives for children and pregnant women. In Ayurveda, Malabar spinach is called as Upodika, Putaki, Malva, Amret, Valyari, and in Siddha or Tamil as Vaslakirai. Kari 2004. The leaves contain carotenoids, organic acids, water-soluble polysaccharides, and vitamin K. Fruit extract of Basilia alba plant were used as an acid base. Mitra et al. 2016. Therefore, the researcher decided to use the extract of Malabar spinach as main ingredients in making jelly.
Objectives of the study. The study aims to develop vegetable jelly from green leafy Malabar spinach. Evaluate the sensory and acceptability of Malabar spinach leaves as flavor in making jelly. Determine the production of cost of the treatments.
Time and place of the study. The study will be conducted at Barangay Concepcion, Helongos Leyte from January to June 2022.
Scope and limitation of the study. The study will be limited to the development and sensory analysis of Malabar spinach flavored jelly.
Chapter 2. Review of related literature. Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach is a perennial vine with fibrous roots and grown as an annual or biennial pot herb. The stem of Malabar spinach is fleshy, succulent, thin, smooth, and bright leaves are distributed spirally. Side branching also observed in the stem. Stem length is about 8 to 10 meters. The left stalk is short and left is oblong as the left length is longer than its width. It prefers a hot, humid climate and moist, fertile, well-drained soil to flourish. Stem cuttings about the length of 20 cm are preferred over seeds for natural propagation and faster growth. Being a vine, it requires trellising for its quick spread. It bears white or white-pink colored tiny flowers depending upon the species and purple to black color bears.
Health benefits of Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach is high in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. It has a high amount of protein for a plant, and it's also a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Another good reason to eat Malabar spinach is that it has a good number of antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene and lutein, those naturally occurring chemicals that help keep your cells from aging. Basilia leaves are a good source of minerals like potassium, manganese, calcium, magnesium, and copper. Similar to spinach, regular consumption of Basilia Malabar spinach in the diet helps prevent osteoporosis, weakness of bones, iron deficiency, anemia. Besides, it is believed to protect from cardiovascular diseases and cancers of the colon. It also contains good amounts of many B-complex vitamins such as folate, vitamin B6, pyridoxine, and riboflavin, misotisacol et al. 2008. Jelly. Jelly is a transparent fruit spread usually made from sugar and pectin. It's often used with whole fruits juice that have seeds in them or skins, like grapes, cranberries, and raspberries. Fruits are commonly known as main ingredients used in making jelly product. Most commonly, jelly is served on toast or a primary ingredient in a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Jelly is sometimes confused with jam. Jelly can be made from a variety of different fruit juices, but the most popular include strawberry jelly and grape jelly.
Chapter 3. Materials and Method. Procurement of materials. The Malabar spinach, lime juice for pectin, and the sugar will be sourced out from the consumption market Helongos Leyte.
Experimental design. Single-factor experiment arrange and completely randomized design or CRD will be used for the experimental design generating 7 experimental runs. Table 1 shows treatment combination to be used in the experiment. Treatment 1, Malabar spinach 70, Treatment 2 60, Treatment 3 is 50, Treatment 4 40, Treatment 5 30, Treatment 6 100, Treatment 7 is 0.
Production of Malabar spinach jelly. Malabar spinach jelly production will be based from the method used by Srivastava and Kumar, 2005. Fresh Malabar spinach will be weighed at 1/2 kilogram and washed thoroughly in water. The washed Malabar spinach will be cut with a stainless steel knife. Then it will be boiled with 1.5:1 water and vegetable for about 30 minutes with stirring. The boiled Malabar leaves will be strained through a strainer to remove the extract consisting of vegetables leaves. The strained extract will be boiled again within 30 minutes and sugar will be added at a ratio of 1:1. Also, 15 ml of lime juice will be added. Heating will be continued with stirring within 20 minutes. Then, remove the scum of foam. The jelly will be filled in a glass jar. It will be covered and cooled. After cooling the jars, it will be labeled and stored.
Figure 1, process flow of Malabar spinach leaves flavored jelly. Malabar spinach leaves. Washing, cutting, boiling Malabar spinach leaves within 30 minutes. Straining the extract, boiling the extract of Malabar spinach within 30 minutes. Adding of sugar and lime juice, removing of scum, heating and stirring within 20 minutes. Testing of doneness, filling and sealing the containers, cooling, Malabar spinach jelly.
Sensory evaluation. The samples of Malabar spinach jelly will be subjected to sensory evaluation using the 9-point hedonic scale to assess the quality of the product's color, texture, aroma, taste, viscosity, and general acceptability. Each sample will be presented randomly to a particular evaluator. These will be placed in identical containers and labeled with random numbers. The ratings will be carried out to assess the sensory attributes of the different treatments. The total of 60 respondents for sensory evaluation from Porok City Concepcion, Helongos Leyte to give comments and feedback.
Table 2, 9-point hedonic scale. Rating 9, consumer acceptability, like extremely. Rating 8, like very much. Rating 7, like moderately. Rating 6, like slightly. Rating 5, neither like nor dislike. Rating 4, dislike slightly. Rating 3, dislike moderately. Rating 2, dislike very much. Rating 1, dislike extremely.
Statistical analysis. The data will be analyzed using the analysis of variance or ANOVA. For determining the significant treatment in each parameter, post-HOC analysis will be employed using Tukey's HSD. The descriptive score of sensory evaluation will be analyzed using cross-tabulation method.
This is our sensory evaluation score sheet. Respondents need to evaluate the descriptions of the samples for their color, texture, aroma, taste, viscosity, and general acceptability. using the scales 1 to 5 and acceptability using the scales 1 to 9.
That's the end of our presentation. Thank you and God bless.